Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 7. Really quick video. I started thinking last night a better way to draw this because this is a little bit difficult and I was moving it by hand and kind of eyeballing it to get it perfect. Well, there's a better way to do it. Take your polygon tool, get the star, set your star on 6-sided, and then hit P. Now, we want this flat. So I'm going to take it and go right here to like 33. Now it looks flat. Let's see how flat it is. Let's bring in an indexing line and put it right there on that node. And you can see that it's not 100% flat. So what you can do to make it flat, what's nice about it, this is basically a polygon. When you change one node, it changes them all. So let's take and just bring this down. See, it's making you kind of stay on that line. So now all of them are perfect. Now I'm going to hit P again and make sure it's in the center of the page. So we're equal now. So instead of trying to draw another triangle that size, let's just get a 2-point line and close off these. And we can actually take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and nudge it over. Now we're going to take away those lines and do just the opposite. We're going to close down the other way. This way, the triangles are going to be in the exact center of the page for doing more of what we did yesterday. Let's nudge that out of the way and then get rid of our line. Nudge this back, left click, right click, nudge this back, left click, right click. And now it's perfectly equal. Everything's perfect. So you can work from there. Let's just get the virtual or the parallel dimension tool and go from that node to, so it's 0.48. Well, you got to go exact right angle. Let's pick another angle one. Let's go right here. Well, that says 0.50. Let me make sure I measured it in the right spot. Go to that node. So maybe I didn't measure the first one correctly. Hopefully that's the case. Let's just delete that. Just make sure we go from the intersection to the node. Okay, I just didn't hit the node. So we're equally spaced apart. And then you can take whatever you want from there, and start this drawing. And if you didn't watch those series, if you just watch the last, like number 6 in the series, let's get rid of their indexing lines, because then you could take this one, go up to effects and contour. Let's contour to the inside just one time. Well, that's too much. 0.05. That's going to get us our outside edge. And then you're well on your way to make this product. And if you didn't watch part 6, it's pretty cool. This is like interlocking. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.